Okay, roof. So when you are going to work in a projects, there are some of the floors we will call as a roof floor. So why we will call as a roof floor means the sunlight directly falling on the slab, that floor we will call as a roof. So roof means nothing but directly the sunlight will be fall. Directly sunlight. Fall. Fall on the floor. So that floor we will call as a roof floor. Wherever the sunlight is not falling, that we will call as a structure RCC floor. And wherever the sunlight, directly the sunlight is touching over the top, that floor we will call as a roof floor. So that roof floor also we will do the designing. And we have a types of roofs also here. Types of roof. So if you go here, there is a footprint roof. Footprint roof floor. And one more is the extrusion roof floor. Extrusion roof. And there will be a soffit roof. Soffit. There will be a gutter roof. There will be a fascia roof. So these are the types of roofs we are going to be designing in a project. So what is footprint? What is extrusion? What is soffit? What is gutter roof? And what is fascia? That also we have to know. So here most probably whenever you will see for the residential building, some of the buildings you can see the roof is flat. There is no angle, nothing. So that type of roof floor we will call as a footprint roof. And some of the roof you can see it will become with slope like that. From top to bottom if you can see it is coming different floors. So that type of roof we will call as a footprint also. So footprint can be do plain roof also. Footprint can be do with slope angle also. So both way we can do this footprint roof. And if you want to do some of the design roof, like the roof should become with curvedness. So that type of roof designing extrusion roof we are going to be work out. So here the footprint roof is nothing but it's a plane by slope angle. Both we can do it. But comes to the extrusion roof, we are going to do the design by arc shape. Arc shape roof we will call as a extrusion roof. So design and arc, that we will do it. When it comes to the soffit roof we will do the edge profile design. Edge profile design. Whenever we will require edges design, that time we will go with the soffit roof. Means after placing the roof, the edges we are going to cover some slab or some design. That time that type of roof we are going to be do here in soffit. That is also roof. But the edges, existing root edges, it is going to be worked out here. And wherever the gutter roof also we are going to be placed in the edges of the profile of existing roof. For the existing room, wherever the profile of the existing roof here. Gutter means when the rainfall come, the rainwater come, so the rainwater is directly fall on the roof floor. So when it is come, so if the roof is having some slope angle like that, so what will happen? The water will be fall this side and that side, both side. And when it is going to be fall on the ground, so beside your roof, that area it's going to become a wet, or the soil is also going to be removed out. So that's the reason in that roof they are going to place one gutter. design. So when the rainwater come, so it is going to be take that water and it is passing at the some end, and that end only the water is going to be falled. So that time we are going to put here the gutter roof. Means after placing the slope angle roof, in that only we are going to put this gutter roof. So that also one of the important, we can do it. And here the fascia roof means this roof we are going to place over the window, above the window. Above the window, where the window will become, that area we are going to place this roof, or some of the canopy design also we will do by using this fascia roof, or some of the edges of the edge extension slab. Some of the edges of the slab is going to be extension. So that time also this fascia type of roof is going to be placed. Means windows means like that, if the wall is there here, and in that wall you have placed a window here. Okay, you have placed a window here. So window will be there here. So in that window we are going to keep one slab like that above the window. Have you seen anywhere in the building? Why we are going to keep this roof? This roof we will call as a fascia roof. Fascia. Why we will keep? Because when the rainfall come, the water should not enter inside the window. So that's the reason we are going to keep as a roof there for protecting the rainfall and by protecting the sunlight also. Should not come inside the build room. So most probably this fascia roof we are going to place above the window only. Some of the buildings you can see there is a starting, there is some canopy will become starting the entrance of the building. That area we are going to put some slab, and that slab we are nothing but it is a fascia slab. So in this project also there will be a canopy slab is there, extension slab is there, and it is coming at the starting of the entrance building. In that area it is going to be shown. So that fascia slab also we have to do it. So this kind of roof we will call as a fascia roof. And some of the extension, because the slab already it is there, but we are going to make it some extent apart from the wall. So that time the extension slab also we are going to put this fascia roof, because with the help of this fascia roof it is going to be give the extension, and the design canopy also we will do it. So this fascia roof we are going to utilize in our project more over the time. Gutter also we are going to be utilized, because the gutter is going to be give the slope angle gutter system, the rainfall protection, the water should not come outside, it is going to be placed. And here the footprint roof will becomes like that, because if there is a building, so the footprint roof will be look like that. It will become. So in the roof we are going to put some different like that. So it will be comes in that place. So this type of roof we will call as a footprint roof, because here, and the gutter is going to be placed here directly. This is a gutter. So when the rainwater comes, the gutter will be take this water and it is going to be fall from this side. One corner it is going to be take. So like that the gutter roof is going to be take. This is the slope angle roof. This we have to give the slope angle. We have to provide the slope angle here. In the slope angle we have to give this roof placement. And here in for the footprint we will make it the roof as a plain slab also like that. It is consist with floor only, but here the roof will be there. Directly it will be considered like that. So here there is a building, there is a roof is there, and this roof is having the flat angle. So here it will be give the 0 degree angle. Okay, and here the roof thickness is minimum 150 mm and maximum 350 also we can able to keep the thickness. So thickness will be minimum 150, maximum 350. It should be there. So like that, this type of roof, when we are going to work out in a project, we will do this extrusion roof. Comes to the extrusion roof will become like that. You have to give some designs like that. And when it is going to be placed here in the building, the designs will becomes like that. And it is going to be filled with the building. Like that it will become. So this type of designs, when you are going to be work out in a project, this type of roof we will call as extrusion roof. Means different curveness when it is going to become. That time we will use this extrusion roof. So this extrusion roof is also going to be utilized wherever it's required. So that is the way we have to work out here for the roof. So always when you are working in a Revit, so when you are going to be work with this roof, so always if you are working in a ground floor, so ground floor we are keeping all the walls, floor, everything. But when you are going to place the roof, so that time you have to place the roof in above floor. Means if you are working in ground floor, so when you are going to place the ground floor roof, that time you have to go the roof floor only. You have to place in the roof. If the building is having some 13 floors, so you have to go to 13th floor. Which floor the roof will become, that floor only you have to make it the sketch. So here we have to do this sketch. So here when we will select this roof, here the same option will become the base offset. Base offset, you have to give some offset if it is having some values, or top offset. And here we have to give this base offset and top offset. From floor, how much it is going to become the height, that you can give it there. So the base offset, top offset, everything we can give. And here the base constant and the top constant also you can give it the floor. Because how the floor we are going to be work out here, the roof is also going to be work out for the same only. There is nothing change, it will be there. But we have to do the model in which floor the roof is going to become, that floor only we will take the model. And that area is going to be sketch. So whenever you will do the sketching of the roof in flat slab, so always you remember your roof should become apart from the wall some 600 mm extension should be there. Because exactly the roof is not going to be placed over the wall. It should be get some extension extra. And that extension should be 450 minimum, maximum 600. We have to make some extension. Okay, so why we are making some extension? Because here in building, when the rainfall or when the this sunlight will become, it is directly not fall over the wall. It is not directly fall over the windows or some doors. It is not going to become. So that's the reason we are keeping some extension the slab. So it is going to be placed directly the sunlight over the slab and roof only. So it is not going to be enter inside the building. So that a part everywhere in your projects, when you are going to place the roof, you have to select this wise only. Okay, so by this way we will able to work out for the roof.